Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is November 26, 2019. Now we're going to give you all the update on Bitcoin Cash. It's been a very long time since we did a video for Bitcoin Cash, so we felt that it is duly our responsibility to give you an update on Bitcoin Cash and to show you what the market has done in Bitcoin Cash since our last video, which was done on October 29th, 2019. Thank you all for coming to our particular channel. This is your first time. You appreciate the content. You appreciate the forecast that we're delivering each and every day on this particular platform. Hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Hit that bell notification as well, because we definitely do not want you all to forget out on any other information that we're delivering, because the market moves 24 hours a day in the cryptocurrency space, and we definitely want to make sure that you do not miss out on any other forecast that we are seeing. Also, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, and then on our website we do have a community of which we are building a community of forecasters to see and anticipate price movement before anyone else. So now, October 29th was the last time we did our video for Bitcoin Cash, and you can see since our video the market has completely fell off. But before it did, we had a TP in the market in Bitcoin Cash right there at $300. Go back and check our video out. It is in our Bitcoin Cash playlist, and you'll literally hear us say that $300 will be our TP price, which would have granted about 4.13% profit in the market for that particular forecast. Now you could have topped it off right here on the 6th of November with about 7%. That's only if you could time the market at the very top, which is very hard to do. But nevertheless, it was a profitable forecast in that instance. So let us get rid of it. Now I want to start off with Bitcoin Cash, looking at it on a weekly chart. And you can tell that we are literally stair-stepping our way down to lower prices. Okay, what occurred last week is still an indication that the long-term view in Bitcoin is still weak. It doesn't mean that we can't play the market moving higher on a daily time frame to an hourly time frame. It just means that in the long term, the market in Bitcoin Cash is severely weak. We can move this area down because we got rejection here at $300 in Bitcoin Cash for 3 consecutive weeks. That's a very strong resistance area. We broke through support right there on 255 last week, right? And now we also broke through another area of support right there at 225. So this is our new resistance area into the market for Bitcoin right now. 225, 226, give or take. Okay. So I'm telling you now, do not expect the market in Bitcoin Cash to continue to move higher until we see a break back above $225. Now it has to show us strength though. Okay, we can peek our head above 225 and come right back down. That is a possibility, because you can tell right here on these 3 weekly price bars to where the market in Bitcoin Cash did peak above 225, but only to come right back to where we are today. All right, so weekly time frame, the market in Bitcoin Cash is showing us weakness. We have 4 more days in the month of November, and the market is still showing us weakness here. Now, given all of this weakness that is here on the monthly price chart, and the fact that we are trading well below 250 and 225, the market is anticipated to continue to see some lower prices, maybe, dare I say, $175 in the long term. Let's see how much of a percentage difference that is. About 18% market move in the long term that Bitcoin Cash can continue to see lower prices. But you will also tell that the market in Bitcoin Cash is creating a support area at $200. We held support of $200 on the 1st of September, 2nd of October, the 1st of October, and now we're trying to hold it again on the 1st of November. But again, this one up bar simply tells us that that was just a fake, because everything else around that up bar is weakness. So weakness is dominating the coin Bitcoin Cash. We got to face the fact it is what it is. Not being biased, but simply reading the price chart, Bitcoin Cash is weak on a weekly and a monthly time frame. So switching back over to a daily time frame, you can still tell even at $215, the market on Bitcoin Cash is finding a very hard time breaking above it. I think we will break above 215, but the long-term view in the market in Bitcoin Cash still anticipates us seeing weakness to the downside in the long term. But for the moment, we could play this moving higher in Bitcoin Cash, and that's what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to play the market in Bitcoin Cash to continue to move higher. Keep your eyes open on that $215 to $16 area. Like I mentioned earlier, it is resistant, so we can see the market sellers come in and push this currency back down to lower prices at that particular level. So a TP of 216, 215 of about 1 3/4% definitely would be in our forecast. Okay, TP of about 216. But we're just going to play the market right here in Bitcoin Cash, trying to move higher. TP right here around 215, 216, and then ultimately 220 is where we'll also see more resistance trying to come into that area. So yeah, this is our anticipational movement in the market in Bitcoin Cash. We're going to play this on the 4-hour chart. So when we come back and update you all, we'll be looking at it on the 4-hour time frame to see precisely what the market in Bitcoin Cash has done according to our original forecast into the market. So this is it. Simple to see, simple to understand. Our speech, our jargon is not here to confuse you. And we're literally forecasting the price movement before it actually happens. Make sure you always maintain your profitability, and I will see you on the next one.